Hello and welcome to AutoKets. So in this lecture, we are going to create this beautiful paper plane just using the Loft tool. So I'm going to start a fresh page and you can see that I am already inside the 3D modeling interface. Change the view to front. Press Z enter to fit the screen. We are not going to use this axis. We are going to create it over here. You can say that. So firstly, I'm going to create a simple straight line. The height should be around 3 mm. We are not focusing on the dimension right now. Then again, I'm going to create one structure like this. Now I have to mirror these two lines on the other side of this vertical one. Just go for the mirror tool. Select the object as this one and this one. Press enter. Select the line to get mirror. Now you can see that these objects are behaving independently, so I have to join them together into a single unit. The use of this line is over, so I'm going to delete this one. Type join in the command box. Select the objects that you want to join together. Press the enter button and you can see that these are joined into a single unit. Now I have to create a very small line. So the line will be very small, so it will be, you can say that this much small. It should be so small that it should behave as a point. This is the line. Now I'm going to mirror this line on the other side of this figure using the mirror tool again. Join these two into a single unit. Again, just go for the join tool. Press enter, select the objects, joined into a single unit. You can see that this line is very small right now. Now I'm going to change the view. Let's just change to southwest isometric. Yes, it will be fine. Now just move this line to a certain distance from this other object. Using the move command, I can do that. So I'm going to move it a little bit like this. So you can see that this is a very small line behaving as a point, and we have this object over here. Now we are going to create a loft in between these two objects that we have created. Just go for the loft tool, select this one as my first object, the small line as the second object, and you can see that once you have done that, it will ultimately going to create the plane for you. Change the view to realistic, switch off this grid mode. We don't require this grid mode. And if you want to color this, you just go for the layer. With the layers, you can color it. Just change the color to the color that you want. And that's it. For such AutoCAD tricks, just follow our channel. And if you like this video, please do press the like button and share it with your friends. Thank you and catch up you in the next one.